Greg, there's a couple of issues that are nagging and niggling that people worry about. One, a blue wave, which I think you've done enough work to be able to say there's no change. If anything, there's more military spending. And then these stories about how China has had it with Raytheon. But there really isn't a way to have it with Raytheon. So how do you diffuse these, let's just say, things that people have in mind that may keep them from owning a stock?
So let's start with the political front. Obviously, I know there is concern that defense spending will go way down if there is a Biden administration. And frankly, I just think that's ridiculous. Defense has always been a bipartisan issue. And when Biden was vice president and previously a senator, I think he had a pretty good approach to national defense. He understood the need to work both sides of the aisle and to provide for the national defense. And quite frankly, these are challenging times. We have lost our technological edge to the Chinese and in some cases to the Russians. And we're going to have to invest more dollars in some of these new technologies if we're going to be able to compete with these new threats. So I'm not worried so much about defense spending going down. There's a national defense strategy document out there that lists 10 key technologies from hypersonics to directed energy. And we're right in the middle of all of those. So again, I don't have a big concern there at all.
Now, we are, with this administration, friends with countries that are actually active in defending their turf, but also in being offensive to some degree. And I'm talking about, say, Saudi Arabia. We know that there's, in Asia, Taiwan just got a huge order, because Taiwan does not want to be attacked. Which I don't think is actually unrealistic, given how strategic they are. So, I mean, is this just an era where you can go, say, from 30% foreign, 35% selling to foreign, to, say, 50?
So I think that is maybe the biggest opportunity. You asked me before about the issue of the Chinese sanctions on Raytheon, which were announced yesterday. This is just a natural conflict that we're going to have in our business all the time. The fact of the matter is, I think there's not going to be a huge impact on our commercial businesses because, quite frankly, the businesses that we sell into China, which are supporting commercial aircraft, are essential to the Chinese economy. And so we don't sell defense in there. I don't expect there to be much of an impact on our sales on the commercial side. At the same time, the growing threats around the world are real. I think, we see it in Saudi Arabia last year with the attack on the airfield, or on the oil fields rather, and the necessity of defending these targets. This is asymmetrical warfare at its best. You're talking about $1,000 drones attacking multi-million-dollar oil facilities and doing incredible amounts of damage. So again, there is a need, there is a desire for our technology to help defend these, whether it's the Patriot system, which is the low-tier air defense, as well as some of these high-energy lasers that we use to defend these unmanned combat air vehicles. There's a lot of things out there that I think promise to improve international defense spending over the coming years.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.